Hey everyone, CrazyToys here, and today we have 3 different surprise eggs. We have a SpongeBob surprise egg, we have a Kinder surprise egg. This is a special Christmas edition, of course. I know it's not Christmas already, however I'm really curious about this. And we have a mysterious blue surprise egg. And I really think there are no toys inside the blue one. I think there is something else. Something very special inside the blue one. So let's start with the Kinder surprise eggs, because it's a Christmas surprise egg and we still don't have Christmas yet. This makes it even more interesting, I guess. Oh no, I already know what this is. Yeah, you guys probably also know this toy, because we already had it a couple of times here on this channel. And yeah, you probably also know that I don't like this one, because it's very difficult to put together. However, I will try again. Yeah, maybe I will try to cut it. I know it's not intended to cut this, however, maybe this makes things easier for me. Okay, this one is really difficult. And as you probably know, I already gave up on these toys a couple of videos ago. I think it was last week. So let me know, have you ever had trouble to put together some toys? Some toys from a surprise egg? And I'm also curious about how often do you guys buy some surprise eggs? Have you ever bought a surprise egg? So just let me know in the comments whether or not you have a surprise egg from time to time. I'm really curious about it. So okay, now I think we are almost ready. Oh no, it's broken again. It's not my day today. Okay, put it into again, and yeah, I think this one belongs here. Okay, so I think I will give up now. Yeah, I will give up any minute. It's not working for me. And I must admit, I don't like this one. So let's go on to the next one. Here we have our SpongeBob surprise egg. Yeah, come on, SpongeBob. I wonder what's inside. So let's have a look again. Do you guys like SpongeBob surprise eggs? So let me know in the comments what's your favorite surprise egg. Not only in this video, but in general. Maybe we have some more of these in future videos. But have a look, we have a SpongeBob hanger. Yeah, you can put it on your keys or on your backpack. Yeah, this is awesome. So yeah, let's have a look. Yeah. There are lots of different SpongeBob hangers and lots of different figures in this egg. And we got the SpongeBob hanger. So now we have the mysterious one. And this one I think is really strange. It's kind of heavy. And I really don't think that there are toys inside. Hey, look, this is money, some euro money from Europe. Hey, this is so cool. We have 10 cents and 20 cents. Here we have 2 euros. Of course, yeah, some more euro money. And 1 euro. I wish all surprise egg had some money inside. This would make life much easier. However, that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to CrazyToys so we can unbox even more surprise eggs. Bye bye!